If you're looking to bring a true cinematic experience into your home, this setup might be exactly what you need. The AWOL VISION LTV 3000 Pro 4K UHD Ultra Short Throw Triple Laser Projector comes bundled with a 100-inch wall mount screen and DLP Link 3D glasses, creating an all-in-one package that takes the hassle out of building a home theater. This combination of features and accessories is rare in this category, making it a complete solution for anyone who wants the theater experience without complex installations or multiple purchases. Out of the box, the projector feels premium. The design is sleek and modern with a solid build, making it suitable for a living room, bedroom, or dedicated home theater. The screen is lightweight yet sturdy, and the included 3D glasses work with DLP Link technology, so you can enjoy 3D movies without any extra devices or emitters. Every element of this bundle is designed to provide an effortless setup and a high-quality viewing experience. Installation is straightforward thanks to the ultra-short throw design. You don't need ceiling mounts or a large distance from the wall to project a massive image. Simply place the projector near the wall, adjust the keystone correction and focus, and you're ready to go. Connecting your gaming console, Blu-ray player, or streaming device is seamless, and the projector supports multiple input types including HDMI and wireless streaming. Picture quality is where the LTV 3000 Pro really shines. With native 4K UHD resolution, you get crisp, detailed visuals across the full 100-inch screen. The triple laser system delivers vibrant colors, strong contrast, and deep blacks that enhance the cinematic experience. HDR content looks rich without appearing oversaturated, and fine details are noticeable even in dark scenes. Brightness levels are impressive, ensuring that the image remains clear even in moderately lit rooms. Audio performance is surprisingly good for a projector. While it may not replace a high-end soundbar or surround system, the built-in speakers provide clear dialogue and punchy action sequences suitable for casual viewing. For enhanced sound, it pairs easily with Bluetooth speakers or a soundbar, giving you flexible options depending on your setup. The inclusion of 3D support is a standout feature. Many modern projectors have dropped 3D functionality, but the AWOL VISION LTV 3000 Pro keeps it simple with DLP Link glasses that sync automatically with 3D content. This makes watching 3D movies easy and immersive without requiring additional accessories. Performance during everyday use is smooth and responsive. The interface is intuitive, menus are fast, and the remote allows you to adjust settings like color profiles, brightness, and keystone correction quickly. Whether streaming, gaming, or watching movies, this projector handles everything without lag or stutter. The cooling system is quiet and efficient, ensuring that fan noise is never a distraction during long viewing sessions. Overall, this bundle delivers a premium home theater experience that's easy to set up and use. From the ultra-short throw design to triple laser image quality, 4K resolution, included 100-inch screen, and 3D glasses, it provides a complete solution for anyone looking to upgrade their entertainment space. It's perfect for movies, gaming, streaming, and 3D content, making it one of the most versatile home theater packages available. For those ready to transform their living space into a cinema, the AWOL VISION LTV 3000 Pro 4K UHD Ultra Short Throw Triple Laser Projector Bundle with a 100-inch wall mount screen and DLP Link 3D glasses is available via the link in the description. This package is designed to give you the ultimate home theater experience with minimal effort. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more detailed tech reviews and insights on home entertainment solutions.